All right, we're here with the latest from Fiat. It's the Topolino. This deserves a closer look. First thing to notice are these manual keys. There's one to open the door and another to start the vehicle. Classic. And no batteries to replace. Starting the Topolino is super easy. Turning the key to the first position will activate your instrument cluster and unlock the steering column. But turning it to the second position while holding the brake down will start the vehicle right up. The doors on this thing are pretty cool. The driver's door is hinged in the back, while the passenger's door is hinged in the front, giving each rider a different experience. And speaking of doors, there's a rope door model you can opt for instead, making it easy to keep cool. Another way to let the breeze in is with these unique, easy-to-use windows. The upper section is fixed, but the lower half opens with a quick click and flip. Here are the manually adjustable side mirrors, great for keeping you alert and letting you see the faces of people staring as you drive past. They can even fold in for tight spaces. Before we check out the inside of the vehicle, let's take a look at the rollback soft top. It easily rolls right up and has a snap to secure it, allowing the sunshine to come right in. Now let's get into the interior features, starting with the seats. The passenger seat is fixed, but the driver's seat can adjust quickly by using the adjustment bar. And don't forget to buckle up, safety first. Once you're in the driver's seat, you have a lot at your fingertips. The wiper controls are just to the left and have multiple speeds. Giving it a pull activates the windshield washer, and if you need it, the horn is right there on the end. And as always, use your turn signal to let others know where you're going. Front and center, we have the Topolino's instrument cluster. All your vital information in one display. Just to the right are the controls for your electric single-speed transmission, hazard warning, and a handy USB charging port. And when you need the good times to stop rolling for a while, you've got a traditional parking brake right next to you. What's the point of taking a trip if you can't take your stuff? Luckily, Topolino has a Dolce Vita box in the front dash and some storage in front of the passenger seat, as well as in each of the doors, and a rear luggage rack on the back for your slightly larger items. And don't worry, the little details were not forgotten, like a convenient cup holder and this hook to carry bags after a quick shopping trip. And of course, we all know you never text and drive, but Topolino has a handy place for a phone holder to keep your phone, well, handy. Charging the Topolino is super easy, as you don't need any special equipment, just a standard household outlet. While you're charging, it's a good time to check your wipers to make sure they're in top shape. If not, removing and installing new ones is a snap. Yeah, Topolino has got it all. Big style and convenience, all wrapped up in a small package. You're going to want to check it out.